lovely ladies of high rank, along with our nieces, are coming forward to perform for you Ngā Poi e Whā, or the Four Long Poi. I do ask that you watch closely, as it is said when all four poi are in full flight, it depicts the wing patterns of New Zealand's rare white heron, or known to the Māori as te kōtuku. Kia ora.
Tatai karua kei hara koe, kei hara koe, kei hara koe, tapua hine, tapua hine, purosule, toro ana te aroha e, kei hara koe, taku toa e, paka te manawa e, just a little. We'd like to share with you a beautiful love song of this area, O Kare Kareana. Now this love song tells of the romance between two of our illustrious ancestors, Hinemoa and Tutanekai. These two met one day at a social gathering. They fell in love, but due to social and tribal differences, Hinemoa's father forbid her to be with Tutanekai. However, as we all know, love will always find a way, because your performing group on stage today, we're some of the direct descendants of the long ago romance between these two illustrious ancestors. So in honour of these two ancestors, we'd like to share with you their beautiful love song, O Kare Karea. love song, Po Kare Kareana. Would you please put your hands together for your vocalist this afternoon, Te Rina and Te Whawha. Sadly, folks, that last song has just about brought us to the end of our content this afternoon. We sincerely hope you've enjoyed everything you've seen and heard, and also that we may have given you just a bit more of an insight into the Māori culture shown through the performing arts. Now, after today's concert, folks, guided tours will be starting down here on the roadway as you exit the footpath for anyone who would like to go on a tour of our village, and also for those of you who are to continue your tour, your guides will be waiting down there for you as well. Now, 2 performers will remain on stage after the concert is finished for anyone who would like to come up and have a souvenir photo taken with them, so feel free to make your way up onto the stage, folks, once the concert's finished. Once again, thanks for being a wonderful audience. We'd like to wish you safe travels throughout our city of Rotorua and our country, Aotearoa, New Zealand, back to your respective homelands. We bid you farewell with these final words in our native tongue. They read, Kia hora te marino, kia whakapapapaunamu te moana, kia tere te karuhirohi, I mua I o koutou huarahi. May the calm be widespread, may the seas glisten like our greenstone, and may the shimmer of sunlight dance across each and every one of your pathways, now and forevermore. Ladies and gentlemen, on that note, we will be upstanding and taking along to our last song.